dream I know deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Alright, my good people, and welcome back to Reality Latest Gist, your home and number one channel for reality news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green, white, green country, maybe Nigeria. And me don't come your side now with breaking news. Me get update we I want share give the general public. Say recently the Edo State Migration Agency then arrest some OS workers wey dey age from the year 14 to 35 years. Now if you be countryman and you dey hear my voice, you don't know the meaning of OS, ask me for my comment section. I go answer you free of charge. Now onto this matter, my good people. Say e surprise men when they find out say most of these OS them they no be Benin people, as in they are not indigenous of Edo State. So this now they highlight the urgent need for stronger measures to combat human trafficking and irregular migration. The agency now they remain committed to promoting vulnerable individuals and making sure that Edo State no become a hub for exploitation. Edo State no become where we say men go just cross carpet come dey do jaguda business. And I beg, if you be parents or if you be guardian and you dey hear my voice right now, try make you dey observe properly. Try make you dey put eye for the person where you dey parent or the person where you dey guide, because it's dangerous outside. Now I get one video like this I want share give the general public. Use your good eye, watch this video, and use your church mind, drop your comments.
Since we've arrested so far, nobody's from Edo, they are from other states. We all understand that as parents, nobody wants their child to be trafficked out. On our own, we've been able to get all the traffickers apprehended with the support of the state governor, Senator Okpebholo.
How are you competent? Every time she dey say, no be my mate dey give am mama, please dey chop. No be there dey bring money for things anytime when dey. I was like, when I got see them, I got and say, aunty abeg, I wan follow you go where you dey work.
So that first day, I got 30,000. He now told me no, he now collected the money. The next day, now still told me to go and work again. So from that day, I started working for her.
How much are the balance you dey if they don't work?
Okay, like how much they give you, they don't work a day. Okay, how long did they work for you now? Okay.
But you know, say this thing when you use them, they do a crime against humanity, a crime against Edo State, and a crime against Nigeria.
If I know, I know as you say, if I know, I will not just try. And for the manage my life, they go there. When God answer me.
Okay, which connection you get with this lady for your front? Get for waiting.
That person can.
So they do waiting. Which kind of hustle?
Also my prostitution.
Okay, this girl wait there for your front. Who she be to you? Which street? For where you dey hustle? For which side you dey hustle? Where for Benin? You can't carry from Agbo to Benin. So can't do waiting for Benin. Which work you dey do? Okay.
Which can hustle?
Eh?
Now I tell her, say, if you say me do this girl bad, I can't say me swear for my front age. If this girl say me do her bad, say me swear, so I just swear.
Wetin Oba of Benin talk about this swearing issue?
You say who they take oath, then they call their finger or that they swear.
Alright, my good people, I believe say all of us now don't observe the video, and I believe say all of us now don't know say things they happen for outside. So if you get sister, I beg put eye for him body proper, and you will be mother, I beg put eye for your daughter body proper, because I know very well say it no go funny when we will be reality latest gist come bring update come, or you turn on your TV come say and say your sister or your daughter now one of the OS where men don't arrest. But anyhow, this informate be you for body, or any contributions we get concerning the matter, feel free make it drop am inside our comment section. Meanwhile, I may still get another legit information with my table where I need share give the general public. You know say as the Independent National Electoral Commission dem decide not to present a single witness to defend their role in the Edo State governorship election, the thing now dey baffle so many country people. The thing come like shocking shock, e come like surprise even to the All Progressive Congress, and I believe very well say the People's Democratic Party too dey go surprise unto the matter. Men now no believe am, men now no even think am say INEC no go even bring one single person come after dem don promise for the tribunal wey sup on Wednesday say dey go bring witness. But however, the silence of the commission dey appear to be a calculated effort to avoid the legal risk wey dey associated with perjury. And no be lie my good people, e get one event wey sup wey come make this risk come become very much real. On the 5th day of February for inside dis year 2025, just a day before INEC suppose to open their defence, Professor Ignatius Uduk, wey be former INEC returning officer, dem sen ten ce am to 3 years in prison for falsifying election results and perjury. Now, the conversion of the Professor Ignatius himself, e dey underscore the several consequences of giving false testimony, particularly under Section 118 of the Criminal Code Cap. 38 Laws of Akwa Ibom State 2000, and the law dey prescribe up to 14 years imprisonment for knowingly providing false testimony in judicial proceedings. So like this now, my good people, this legal battle wey dey sup between Senator Monday Okpebholo and Asue Ighodalo, e don make countrymen now don dey ask so many questions. This Edo State Election Petition Tribunal e don dey become very much interesting day by day. E don dey make topic just dey burst out every second, every minute of the day. You know say INEC dem promise to call witnesses to come defend the declaration of Monday Okpebholo as the duly elected governor, but dem fail to do so. Dem no last come bring any witness come court. Now men dey ask whether their witnesses come last chicken out, whether their witness come last run sake of fear make dem no go arrest dem as dem take arrest Professor Ignatius abi na which level. Countrymen dey ask why e be say INEC dey go promise to present witnesses, last dem no come present anybody, whether dem dey use the tribunal dey play abi na which level. And some men dey ask whether na strategic something for INEC not to present any witness for inside court. Like this now, there is fire on the mountain. Both camps are very much optimistic of victory. Both camps dey believe in their legal team and wetin dey carry come the table. This my good people na the information wey I wan share with the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. You know say na we be reality latest gist, na we dey like give una reality news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like our updates dem and you go like to dey receive more, try make you subscribe to our channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more reality latest dey come, na you go first get the update and you go even receive am sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit with another reality for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.